Imagine spotting a DJI drone for less than $210 and thinking, wait, is this real? Well, it is. The DJI Mini 4K, one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly 4K drones out there, has just dropped to its lowest price ever. With stabilized video, ultra-lightweight design, and simple controls, this isn't just a deal. It's practically a budget gadget with premium performance. So, let's explore this more closely. Let's talk numbers, because this is where things get crazy. The base version of the DJI Mini 4K is now sitting at $209, down from $299. That alone is a massive drop. But it doesn't stop there. The 2-battery combo is now $269 instead of $389, and the Fly More combo, which usually feels like a premium bundle, is down to $309 from $449. And if you've ever looked at DJI pricing before, you already know this isn't normal. DJI doesn't usually slash prices like this across every bundle. It almost feels like they're trying to make this drone accessible to literally anyone who's even slightly curious about flying. At this point, it's less of a should I buy a drone situation and more like why not just try it? Here's the thing that makes the DJI Mini 4K stand out. It's not overloaded with features that confuse beginners. It sits in that perfect middle ground where it's super easy to use, but still delivers results that actually look good. You're getting real 4K video, not some fake upscaled stuff, and it's stabilized, so your footage doesn't look shaky or unusable. The drone itself is super lightweight, under 249 grams, which means in many places you don't even have to deal with complicated registration rules for casual flying. And then there's GPS-assisted hovering. This is one of those features you don't think about until you try a drone without it. The Mini 4K basically holds its position in the air like it knows exactly where it should be, which makes flying feel way more controlled, especially if you're just starting out. Pair that with simple controls through the RCN One remote, and honestly, it feels more like using a smart gadget than learning to fly something complicated. Now, the base $209 deal is what grabs attention, no doubt. But if you ask me, the bundles are where things really start to make sense. The $269 combo with 2 batteries is probably the sweet spot for most people. Because let's be real, 1 battery is never enough. Once you start flying, you don't want to land after 20 to 25 minutes. That extra battery completely changes the experience. You get more time to explore, more chances to capture shots, and way less stress about running out of power. Then there's the $309 Fly More combo, and this one almost feels underpriced. 3 batteries, a charging hub, and all the extras mean you're basically set for full flying sessions without constantly worrying about charging. Normally, a bundle like this would easily sit in the $440 range or higher. Seeing it this low just feels off in a good way. This is the kind of drone you recommend to someone who says, I want something simple, but I still want it to look good. It's perfect for beginners, casual travelers, or even content creators who just want quick aerial shots without carrying bulky gear. And the biggest thing, it removes that fear of getting into drones. Usually the price is the biggest barrier. People don't want to spend a lot on something they're not sure they'll use. But at $209, that hesitation almost disappears. It's not a huge commitment anymore. It's more like picking up a cool gadget and seeing what you can do with it. Now, if you're someone who wants a bit more power and flexibility, there's also the DJI Mini 3, which has dropped to around $299. This one steps things up with features like 4K HDR video, vertical shooting for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, and smart flight modes that help you get those cinematic shots without needing advanced skills. It also includes safety features like return to home, which is always nice to have when you're still building confidence. So yeah, if the Mini 4K is about simplicity and value, the Mini 3 is more about creativity and flexibility. At the end of the day, the DJI Mini 4K was already an easy recommendation even at its original price. But at $209, it becomes one of those deals that's hard to ignore. You're getting stabilized 4K footage, a super beginner-friendly experience, and the reliability of a brand that dominates the drone space. And when the bundles start offering this much value for just a bit more, it honestly feels like there's almost no downside. Whether you go for the base version or jump into a combo, you're getting way more than what you're paying for. The only real question is how long this pricing is going to stick around, because deals like this don't usually last forever. That's it for today. Hope this gave you a clear idea of what the DJI Mini 4K is all about. If you found this helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Till then, take care, and see you in the next one.